Hello positive peeps, it's me Laura, your positivity princess. I'm here spreading happiness and positivity and love. Did you ever notice how many metaphors are used to explain life? This video is part 5 of 5 of the Life is Metaphor series. See the other videos on my channel. So now, why? Why is life described with so many intricate metaphors, comparisons, examples, analogies, and riddles really? Understanding life helps you to recognize and harness your own power to make your own dreams come true. Understanding the true nature of life helps you to use the law of attraction in your favor. So why can't we be clear and straightforward when we talk about life? I noticed a few law of attraction gurus have used the radio as a perfect analogy for life. Here are a few life is like a radio quotes. And I really love this first one. Zayn Malik said, "Life isn't a music player where you choose what's being played. It is a radio where you have to enjoy what's being played." So what he is saying is that we have to have gratitude for our current circumstances, and he is right. Ira says, "Life is like a radio. How we set the frequency of our mind plays the song in our life." This, to me, is a perfect way to describe the way that we have to set our own frequency in order to attract the life we desire. Nanish Kanetti said, "Life's like a radio. You can't choose the songs you want to hear, but surely you can change the station." Again, this is the idea that things can happen in life, but we don't need to dwell on it. Change something and a new circumstance will appear. The way it was explained by Jake Ducey is that the radio has a whole bunch of stations. Each station is different and each one has a different frequency. To hear a certain song or genre, you tune into that frequency or station. You literally turn the dial to get there. All the other stations still exist. They continue to play music even when you have not chosen to listen to them. He points out that life is just this way. In any given situation or desire, there are infinite possibilities or outcomes. Each exists as a frequency. All you have to do is know what you want, then adjust your frequency to attract that desired outcome. I love this metaphor. It really cleared things up in my mind. I imagine all of life's possibilities or outcomes as frequencies on a radio dial. All I have to do is adjust the dial. In real life, adjust the dial means visualize the outcome, feel good about the outcome, imagine that it's already yours, and be grateful. Just like when you are adjusting the dial to get to your favorite station, you are already happy knowing that you're about to hear the music that you want to hear. I sincerely hope that this video resonated with you. Tomorrow I will share with you some fun Friday. Yay! I know you'll love it. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a beat. My stomach just growled. Sending love and light to you. Leave a comment below of your favorite life is metaphor. I just love connecting with you guys and reading your comments. It makes me it makes me so happy. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and be positive. Here, but you surely can change the station. Just like when you are adjusting the dial, to your favorite state. Just like you turn this to be to me is a perfect way to describe the way that we have to set our own frequency in order to. The way it was explained by Jake Ducey in that